everyone, this is Aisha from Elaborate Designs by Aisha, and I'm coming to you today with another DIY. And the DIY that I'm doing today is a flower pot centerpiece, and this will be used for my Easter Tablescape. And as you see right here, I have flower pots that I purchased from Ikea when my husband and I went to Atlanta about 2 weeks ago. And I have a pink one, and I also have a yellow one. And this is going to be a part of my Easter Tablescape colors. And I also have these little floral foams that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And I have 2 of them to go into each of the flower pots. I also have flowers that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I have different ones, different colors. I also have, I think I may put some of these little pick eggs in my in the flowers. It just depends on how it looks once I finish. And I have some more of the Easter grass, and it is the purple one that I may use. And I may use, depending on how everything comes together, some of these small Easter mini eggs. And I purchased these from Hobby Lobby. And I have this in one of my other videos, the shopping haul I did from Hobby Lobby. And I also have my glue gun that I will be using. Okay, so let's get started. So all you have to do, and I don't think I'm going to take my plastic off of my floral foam. I'm just going to leave it on. And all you do is just place your floral foam down in the bottom of your flower pot. And I'm going to do both of these, okay? And I'm going to start, I think with this flower here, it has a little egg on it. And I'm just going to stick it in the middle of my flower pot. Hopefully it'll stay together there, okay? Then I'm going to start taking some of my other flowers and just putting them around my base flower in the middle. And I'm going to take a little of the hot glue and just put it on the end of this flower stem here. And just push it down in there. And just fluff it out just to make sure it's fluffed out and it looks pretty. This is a lily. Now I'm going to do one of the pink ones. This one here. Just put some glue on the ends of it. And just make sure the stem is cut the right size. It just depends on you what size you want it. You can have it taller or you can have it smaller. It just depends on you. Alright, so this time I'm going to put a white one over here. Again, this is a lily. Just put it right in the middle here. Right on the side of the base flower. Stick it down in there real good. Okay. And I'm like how this is coming together. Pretty good. Alright, so I have a purple one, and I think I'm gonna use the taller one. And I'm just gonna put the purple one in here just to give it a different color. Add a pop of color to it. Because you know, during spring you see all kinds of color flowers. You see purple, yellow, pink, white. So I'm gonna add this in here also, right there. And just make sure you fluff them out as you go. Fluff those out. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna put another one here. Let me see what color I'm gonna go with. I don't wanna put yellow. I put the other pink beside this one. Still adding my hot glue to the bottom. And just take it and just push it down in there, just like that. Try to get all the way down in there. Okay. And you can bend it and shape it how you want it. You can pull it up. Make sure you remove all of the excess glue, your hot glue, and be careful because the hot glue can get hot. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some of these egg picks that I purchased. I'm just gonna kind of slide them down in like the middle section of this, and this is a yellow one. Oops, okay. I'm gonna go too far, but kind of like that. And I have a green one. I'm gonna put the green one like right here on this side. Push it down in there. Okay, so now kind of fluff it out some. Okay, so here's my flower pot. My flowers inside the flower pot. And as you see, I added different colors in here. I have the yellow lily. And I put a little pop of color of purple. And I have the pink and white calla lily. And I have the different colors here on the top, as well as with the little egg picks that I purchased with the little purple, the little purple flowers coming out here. And you can fill it up as with many flowers as you like, or less flowers. It depends on you. So don't forget, and I'm gonna do the other flower pot the same way. Okay, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You all have a great day. Be blessed. Bye.